Reminder shout out to our sponsor, Leverage Shares, making this live stream free all day long for you guys. We had bonus tornado coverage. I don't think they have a tornado ticker, but they do have a lot of 2x tickers that could be a tool for you as a trader. Go in and check it out, leverageshares.com. We appreciate them. Also, KC finally decided to come say hi to me.
What's up, guys?
What's up, gang?
What's up, guys?
You missed Will giving us live tornado coverage through his window earlier on his phone, right here on stream.
Hell
It was
yeah.
awesome.
It's pretty badass.
Amp, did you get your long?
Yeah, I already trimmed those 50 points. I had 85 was what my cost basis ended up being.
Nice.
Trimmed I'm out half at 50 points. My stop is pretty far up in profit just because if we reject here, first touch of the 21, IB low, go finish the move down to NFP on QQQ. Otherwise, I got my ticket to retrace this thing back to like 680.
My low of day for QQQ was 717 to 716.51.
Did you see this on Bullflow?
Yeah. So
717.
dude, it was perfect. SPY almost got down to its level. I had a zone around 770.72. So any sweeps underneath that down to 77 psych level, I thought would have been good if QQQ was hitting that 717, and it did. I missed my short entry this morning. I'm down like $450, but those were my full targets downside. They just hit, so I think longs can work now off of it.
I waited for 2 hours. I did get short 710 in Q. Took it to IB low and got out. And I also shorted ES around that same spot, like 771 or something. Took it to 61. Got out. Now I'm back long. We'll see what happens here. My next trim will be, where is this? Is this pivot point? Where's this? Pivot point's at 660. I'm going to trim 655 just in front of all this. If we get there. Or I'll stop out at like 608. Oil's starting to get interesting for another short. You just wonder if they don't want to pull SPX back up to the 7750 again, just magnet by the end of the day.
I'll be back.
With weapons.
Ooh, oil's still pushing though.
This is so weak on ES. How long am I going to sit in this trade?
I mean, this is
50
major
minutes
term.
now.
So, like when you have an overextension, just this is for the audience, not for Rizzo. When you have an here, when the 15-minute is all red for a long time, you're going to get a relief bounce imminently. Same thing here on ES. You hit extension targets, you hit, a couple areas of Gex, etc. And then on the 5-minute chart, you can see we haven't, this 21, the yellow one, had not been touched in 2.5 hours. You make it back to that, that's where your trade is basically over. It should be runners only really from here. I have a little bit more than runners only on NQ, but it's just a little bit situational based, so a little discretion in here. However, the main trade idea is this right here. Right there. And if you're looking to short this spot, I don't hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. The hourly is about to print a pretty decent little hammer. So kind of hoping that just continues. Oh, KC, I'm glad you're here.
What's up,
This morning, I watched this 15-minute hammer just print right here. And on the 5-minute, we had the reversal buy signal.
I took that long on.
I should have taken this long. Yeah, I should have taken it from here, 720s, right back to 780.
I longed the doji candle at the bottom.
Yeah, this was previous day's low too. I should have been long 720, maybe late entry 725, 730, and I should have got 20, 30 points here, 50 points total, and got stopped out in profit somewhere through here. But that was a Brett, like, and I sat there and I watched it like set up, and I just sat here on my hands and was like, God, like I've had a feeling that you took it, but I was like, this is a bread and butter play for KC. Right here.
If you go on ES and look at like 8 p.m. last night, you're gonna see a low down there at hold on, let me see, I'm on the wrong chart. Yeah, so let me see where it's at. I was on MNQ.
That's where I longed in Q last night, was right at 8 p.m.
Let me pull up ES. All right, so ES around like pre-market, between like 3 and 5 a.m., right? You're going to have some support down there. That's around like 7.771. So
which was IB low yesterday.
Yeah, so when that red candle at 9:45 today came in, and then you got that little green doji that's right there. Yeah, I smacked it long on that little green doji, just risking if it closed directly underneath that zone right there, and then I scaled out the pop on the next one, and then closed it completely right at 10 a.m. It was like 15 points, I think, close to 15 points.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was watching this thing. I just watched this thing. I mean, this is a sweep of the overnight low too, where I longed last night, and then it put that 15-minute hammer on NQ.
Oh, wait, hold on. Did you see it in the text messages?
I did see the picture of the entry.
Yeah, it was almost like a freaking bottom tick entry.
I didn't look close enough. I saw the bottom tick. I just didn't look close enough to see like when or where you did it.
Yeah, that was on the 1 minute. I zoomed in just so it showed more of the price action. But yeah.
See, yesterday when we were doing this all day long, we said if we can get down to 680, down to 660, that's where we would long. It was based off of all this over here from the previous day. And so I longed down here last night. And then it started ripping, and all of you guys tried to fade me. I'm just kidding. But
oh no, we do. Start getting ran the
so,
fuck over.
yeah, so I got that nice trade there. And then on oil, I shorted this I shorted this area here, and then I shorted it again, and I heard my trims going off here, and then I heard my stops going off here, and made some money on that, and then I left sell order right up here at like 84.50 or 84.49, and then whatever happened while I was asleep, I got filled, and I mean, it was like trim, and then right here at the open. So I've had a pretty nice day. And I've been watching Ryan Hall, y'all, cover the tornadoes over here.
Rizzo, you long or short?
I am long ES with a 53 average. No trims yet, just sitting.
This is where you hope it holds the
Barely moved.
9. So you're rejecting the 21, you hope it holds the 9. Maybe some. Let's see, where's SPX? It's not the worst spot for it to kind of just inverse right here, 35.
Oh, here, look. Let's throw this up for like a quick second. Look. So these are the two zones I had on the day going in for SPX, and then this is that like indicator that we were messing with the other day. And the support pullback didn't start like all morning. It didn't. None of them were green until this one got hit, which was 77.30 right here on SPX, and that was the zone that I had right there for QQQ. If you mark 717 for the gamma, it was right there, that red line. And then SPY, I had a zone that started here, and then that's where we started getting the little overextension. It came in right here as well, and then down to like 770 cycle level gamma. So anywhere between here down to here on SPY, anywhere from here to right there on SPX, and then that 717 on Qs. That was. Now, if we lose that, I don't freaking know. I don't expect that to get taken out ahead of CPI. I'm expecting CPI to break the range that we're in, but we shall see.
I will say I lost my train of thought. Oh, SpaceX. SpaceX crashed back to that 135 too fast for me, and I did not. Hola, bonita. Hola, bonita. It's not helping that some of your mags aren't getting off their backs. SMH rejecting a little bit too. Just be a 15-minute little bear flag that's going to finish that move we talked about to NFP. Pretty clear rejection right now of IB low. That's why we trim there. Dow much weaker. The other thing I was watching, Casey, is you probably saw this too. The internals were so strong.
Dude, it's the reason
internals have
why
been
I didn't
up the whole
take
day.
the
That's why.
short.
Yeah, well, that's why I got into. I was really comfortable like scaling into longs down there.
Yep.
Like reversal was imminent.
So when I took the long this morning, I was like, all right, I'm gonna close the long and I'm gonna look to short this pot. And then we went sideways for almost an hour on SPY and QQQ. And I was just looking at everything, looking at the internals, and I was like, I don't really see a lot of selling coming in. I was like, and your internals are still positive. I was like, looking at the chart, I'd be looking to short the pop right here, but I'm not getting other points of confluence to take it. And then the headline that came out at like 11:05 Eastern that just knifed it straight down, it just started to slowly die after that and go lower, and I never got the entry in for the short.
How much lower can gold go before it stops looking bullish? Try to understand that question a little bit better. I mean, you basically hit the 200-day. You had a huge run, so one of these makes sense. Hopefully, you probably stay up above this, like 43.64 on the futures. This shelf here. We're fighting to hold these ZMAs. Try to flip.
Yeah, the VWAP off the lows are still holding. Riding that the whole time.
Internals at Nasdaq internals about to make a new high day. Flashed red right when I said that. Somebody's trying to sell this 21. Yes, and SPY did not look as good. IWM's still decently strong too. I mean, it's just there's enough like other pieces that make me think the reversal is higher probability than another new low. Ooh. You also feel like you're going to get a headline at some point this afternoon. I like texting Casey and then staring at his camera and to see how long it takes him to notice. He's like deep looking at something else, trying to ignore it.
Sorry. I was looking at
No, you're good. It's not like a pressing thing.
the net drift. Massive jellyfish swarm shuts down 3 reactors over.
I was like, Casey will appreciate this. Here's your flashback down.
Firmly grasp it.
All right, I just stopped out there in profit. No reason to push it. As expected, we rejected the 21. And the question is, do we hold here in higher low? Or do we make maybe a bullish divergent new low? That would probably be the more appetizing. There's really not a whole lot lower right now.
All right, you know what? We're gonna leave this.
They may try to hold the 600.
Stop at 45. Take profit. Still at 63. Right at my freaking average, 53.
Yeah, Nvidia just got smoked off those EMAs too. So here's the thing. Like I said, overextension from all of the EMAs, multiple red candles in a row. Your trade is back to, especially in this setup, bread and butter. You get long off of something that you have, whether it's QQQ, like in this case, it was mostly QQQ positioning. Confluence in the book map, we got long down here. We took it back to the falling 21 EMA. We took a big trim. We put our stop and profit. And as you see on both ES and NQ, right back into it and just rolled right back over. God, let me put my screen up here to make it actually make sense. What a dumb. All right. So we got long down here with Confluence. We scaled into it. We took it back. We trimmed along the way. There's the falling 21 right here. I said a while ago, that is your trade. That's your high probability trade. That's where you're taking most of your profit. Same thing here. And look at that, right onto the 21. First touch of it in 2 hours. Almost always going to get sellers willing to come in right there. So now you either need a higher low right here, right off of Rizzo's cost basis, or you come down here, make a slightly lower low, but it's going to be bullish divergent. Same thing down here, which is, this is going to be where the NFP, right where this 560 area is going to be NFP on QQQ as well. It's just right here. So a little sweep of that. Probably some kind of ICT concept that goes with this too. This 4 hour low, I guess it's not technically a 4 hour gap. I guess there's a little mini 4 hour gap here, Jordan. It's already been mitigated though. Jordan's not even here. Here's your NFP low. If you sweep into this.
Yeah, this looks like it's gonna crack.
AMD's had like 10 green candles in a row on the 5 minute. Oh, I say that and the candle just flipped red.
Liar.
Went from low of data back up to those highs. Holding up green. Nvidia is disgusting. Google's
last day and a half.
disgusting.
Great. You're getting a 15-minute sell signal here. SPY NES. Yeah.
Let Google down. Let Google go down to like 342, and then I'll be interested in trying to long again.
The other thing I would be interested in is SPX. If it wants to go down, test into this gap. I mean, there's NFP is down there, plus this gap fill. So if it wanted to drop 20 points, I will definitely long it off of this.
Apple is getting smoked.
Apple, one of the executives is leaving, in charge of like wallet, pay services, and something else. I don't think it's a big enough headline.
Some volume just coming in on it though, and it's just.
I think it's just breaking down.
Yeah, it just got
breaking a big level.
Volume in the last 10 minutes and sold. Mita back testing your daily 50 after a good move this morning.
This 15-minute inverts right here. The 10 doesn't look good though. But if the 15-minute closes above the 610, I think you're still in business to come up here. If this makes a higher low here, then you look for this. Otherwise, you long here and look for this again.
Yeah, what the heck is that stock and why is it up 1,000% today? It's up 996%.
Department of Agriculture is doing something with C3AI headline.
Dude, pull up PLAG. What the heck? Dude, go click on the daily. It's up 1,000%.
The fuck is that?
Oh, dude, we could have all retired. Why ain't no one told me to long PLAG?
That's crazy. This thing never has like any volume.
Nope. And then
It had 71,000 volume, and then 113,000, and then today it's at 179 million.
Okay, now you want to see something that's even funnier? Go on the weekly and zoom out, look left.
Which I was literally on my way to do that. Things going back to all-time high of 9,000.
You're like, you know, it's up 1,000%, and then you go look, and you're like, oh my god, this thing at some point was trading like thousands of freaking dollars or something. Like,
It just means it got diluted to hell. What a piece of shit.
That's awesome.
Delist. Any stock chart that looks like this should be delisted.
Dude, it's
It should not be a public
hilarious.
company. Anybody trading that, go chop your nuts off.
Oh yeah, P is looking good. All-time high today.
Oh, are they going to print the sell signal? They're not going to print the sell signal. Did it print? Did you get a sell signal on SPY?
I just had a bunch of alerts come through. I got 15-minute sell signals on SPY, Qs, and SPX. So yes, there is a confirmed 15-minute evening star back test off the 15-minute 9.
And off of IV low.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to try a higher low trade here.
I mean, I'm not taking either one. I'm not taking the long or the short. Because if you look at, I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, you're getting in on the trend at least, but if you look at SPY on the 15-minute, if you were to take this trade, it's a 1-to-1. Because if you're gonna risk the high,
risk the evening star for the new low of day.
For it to at least hit equal low of day, go make it's a 1-to-1. So I mean, it's
so like on ES, you're gonna risk basically 7-8 points to try to get 7-8 points, and hopefully a follow through down to like 43.
Yeah.
So you're risking 7 points to make 7 points and 10 points. If you did a 2-trim approach, I don't hate it, honestly.
No, not at all.
And I do think QQQ is just going to try to magnet this mitigate this low.
Melly?
Mercado Libre.
Yeah, it's having a good day.
Good. I need that thing to come up. I was wondering why my portfolio was like not just getting too brutalized today.
This actually looks pretty decent on the daily. It's in a squeeze too.
Here we go. Back above the earning. Yes, thank God. The options are terrible. You got to play this with either leverage or equity. I have a big equity position in Melly that has been underperforming for a while. Oh, did you see our favorite shoes?
So someone in the chat earlier said they got smoked. Let me see. Oh my God, down 20%.
Yeah, I don't know what the report was or whatever. They had earnings.
Jesus. Dude, that thing's been in a squeeze for like a month.
I may have to buy this again soon.
So I
Still
was
wait.
just looking on the chart. I was like, all right, where can I buy this thing at?
I think maybe you probably could have started there at 30. I'd rather buy it at like 28 down to 24, that zone. They're going to try to hold this higher.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, let it maybe die a little bit lower. A slow, painful death for another week after this earnings report under 30. Anywhere between 28 to 24 if support forms down there. I mean, grab longer dated call swings or leaps on it and just let it sit. Even equity though, it wouldn't be terrible. I mean, you buy it at 25. I mean, even if it came right back up here to 30, I mean, you can get 20% on shares. You could probably sell some cash secured puts as well if you wanted to try and double dip to collect premium or just get assigned at a lower price if it does go lower.
Lord of Wall Street. If you're just going to spread a misinformation in the chat, I will just ban you. I, from the open, was not bullish today.
I was. I'll own that. And I played long, and it was decent, but didn't give my partial.
We broke previous day's low within like 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
Yeah, but you know me, I'm always looking for that sweep of the low.
Yeah, but
which I was looking for. We got slightly, but again, we didn't deliver where I wanted to.
I even played shorts today.
That's solid.
And longs. So
is the first
250 points.
Being wrong
250 points higher at 850. 250 point. We haven't even traded. 250 point higher was above where we even opened the day before I even started the stream. So like, I don't know. You also said that you were short at like 808. We never traded 808 during the day. So once again.
I also just find it funny how it's like we'll show up and like we'll have good days, we have bad days, like okay days. You do as well, Lemp. You do as well, KC. But Lord is just somehow always on point.
Somehow. No, he's not. We watched him get ran over for
value added. I don't see the value added there.
No, there's no value added.
It's just always negative.
Yeah. All right.
There's your 15-minute continuation candle.
See you tomorrow, Lord. There's that 15-minute sell signal, that first touch of the 21.
I was a little bit confused though on whoever he was talking to. He said it's way too risky to. He said it's way too risky to short here, and then after that, I mean, what I don't know. This dude seems like he talks out of his ass a lot, but
he does. And he got into the dick measuring contest last week, trying to send like Swiss francs and talk about his account size. Like Frank, what Frank just said was what made it click the most for me. It's just where's the value add? I don't care about people, trolling or whatever, taking trades against, like, I don't care about that. But when you're just misinformation and then there's no value actually added,
especially when you're when the futures are down 50 points off their highs, and I was short up there, and I said, and I said in the chat, like, I'm going to short any little pop here. Down 50 points, you said, I'm getting short here. You got short. It went sideways for 20 minutes, and then it broke. Like, it was very clear about what you thought. So, it's just, the trolls are just, they get tiresome. And, like, we're, like, SPX calls, I'm out of them, at a profit of, like, I think net 32%. But, like, you're announcing it before you do it, even. You know what I mean? I'm going to add here. Everything was announced. Every single little thing. And I admit I don't always announce. I'm tied up in other things. But, like, you do. Always. And if I see a good setup, I'll say something. But, like, just ridiculous. Like, where's the alpha he ever brings besides negativity?
Yeah. Plus, we watched him get ran over for an entire month.
Yeah. And so all his friends out there, tell him to go get me a fucking juice box right
now. Double kill.
Oh, shit.
Oh, look who's back. Tornado Will.
Oh, Tornado Will.
Yeah, you're alive.
I got to a different spot where I have internet and power.
Good.
But the power is still out by me.
Someone tell that dude to tuck his shirt in and take a lap.
Yeah, also to be fair, because I see it in the chat, he posted a swing entry yesterday. Yeah, he also went short here. He 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 went short here. And he got ran over a bunch of times. I hope he made money. Surely at some point one of those shorts paid off. But if you just literally try to short every single day, I'm swinging short every single day, like, yeah, some of them's going to play out. We're on the 50-day right here for NQ, by the way. It's not on QQQ or NDX yet.
Think about any longs in the 560s or no? Or do you wait for 450?
Yeah, you can't take multi-thousand point drawdowns just swinging in Q short.
I'm just waiting for my stop to hit to call it a day.
Even Rizzo doesn't take 1,000-point drawdowns. like stop out and try again. Jesus Christ.
Well, if you took the short from the sell signal, that was trim and move a stop in at entry or in profit. Now you just want to see if anything, if you get double bottom, or we can.
So if you shorted here, your risk was here, your trim was right here, and you're going to probably put your stop down, break even, maybe even into profit. I'd rather see this move play out.
SPY never got to 770. I mean, it might go a little lower. Q's 717, 716.50, but
yeah, Mateo, I'm with you on that. That was the thing, right? And that's what, the point that Frank made was the right point. And look, I gave him 24 hours. He can come back tomorrow. If he comes back, he gets another shot.
Yeah, JPM.
Oh, you're a nice guy. When people piss me off on my Twitch stream, I used to just block them forever.
Yeah, dude. I just give you. Look, I get it. Some people get like the pressure gets too much for them. They have a bad day. Like the banana guy that was in here that went after Rizzo one day. He's welcome to come back. Yeah, I give people second chances, third chances. I get it. Maybe you had a bad day. Maybe you had bad pressure.
Membership. I like it.
Yeah. I want to short GPM KC, says NYG.
What? It's the only thing that looks decent in the market. Look at any chart in the entire stock market and go look at JPM. What? That's the one you want to short here?
Oh.
What? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh.
All right. I'm taking a couple starters here at the NFP. 561.
They gonna come get my stop at 45.
Let's see if we can get a bigger flush and we'll add.
All right, I'm
There's a little add.
S's.
There's your new lows.
I give up.
Evening stars off the back test.
It falls apart. It falls apart. I've got plenty of profit to work with here, but I'm looking for a divergent low.
Tesla.
Maybe 530s we could go to, but let's see if we can hold up here.
Yeah, Tesla pulling back a tad. Not too bad. Little 5-minute candle though. Volume downside. Google's new lows. Oh my God, Apple. Oh shit. Oh.
I just hope there's not a headline behind
Dude, Apple, when we were first
pricing.
looking at, we're like, Apple's getting some volume, some downside moves. It freaking like tripled.
Rizzo, are you long NQ?
Oh my
No.
God.
I'm considering it. If I do, I'd risk just being flat for the day. Just giving up all the
fun.
green. I really don't want to.
I have orders all the way down to 524.
Yep. Yep.
Apple calls. I mean 300. Might as well just let it hit it. Buyer stepped in there on Friday, July 21st, Tuesday, August 4th. Oh,
All right,
oh,
I just got some more fills at 34.
what the sh? All right, so I guess the sell signals that came in across the board, I should have just full ported it. What's that? Oh my God.
My average is 49.
Mine's 40. I can't see it. The price is bouncing all over it. I can't see. 48 maybe.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm with you a little bit.
I'll buy more lower. Like I have bigger orders lower.
I mean, obviously the level we talked about earlier, that 450s, but I think you got to get something poppy here. At least the attempt. There we go. Come on now. Shoot us back up on this. You got a divergent low too.
Yep.
And a little extended. Shoot us up.
I still have this Ryan Hall y'all stream playing in my ear.
Dude, they're just ripping through Indiana, man.
He
It's
keeps
been
calling
something else.
people bridge bozos. It's cracking me up.
Yeah, they're hiding under these bridges.
All
and
the people
stuff.
that hide under the overpasses and It's the worst possible thing you can do.
Yeah, like don't do that. Come on, fly us up there.
Fly me to the
The
moon.
moon. Does ES got anything in this area? Yeah, 44. We're here. Remember this number.
SPX is just tapped into the gap.
You know where 44 was? That was the.
So you see the gap that was SPX left the other day? It just
Yep.
tapped into it. It was also NFP low.
I mean, 25 in ES would be nice, but
Well, if it wants
Come
to
on.
fill that gap, I would long it even heavier.
yes.
I literally had this
All
530.
right, I'm gonna trim a
on my
couple here.
chart.
Dude, come on. It's like off by a fucking tick. I'm about to just manually do it. All right, I'm going to trim some right here. Cover. So, whatever. Stop at entry.
Come on, give me 570s.
That I had an order at 570. I saw it go to like 68.50 or 69. I just removed it and just went and did it manually.
I think we're going back to 615. I just don't know if it's going to have to sweep one more time. How much time do we have left? Hour and a half?
We got time.
Oil probably a short right here. They just had the settlement. Give it a shot.
Yep.
Nice job, LS. Nice long.
83.05 on oil. Come on, just pop it. I want this 570 trim, 584, 590.
I put a stop in at 553. Secure green trade. See if we can get back over like 80, 85. Push up closer to 600. I want to see this next candle like instantly has to go green and start pushing. I don't want it to pull back.
Yeah, up to 80, 83, 85.
Because if it pulls back, I don't know if I'd long it again.
All right, there's
There
my
you go.
trim for 25 points.
Come on, baby. Give us some more. Give us some more. The things you hear from your people in your house yelling at your kids, like, why are you naked on that dragon? I'm like, what?
Damn, Colin. Dog food went flying through the Sequoia. Hey, I like Sequoias, by the way. It's one of my favorite SUVs. It's like lesser known almost. The Sequoias are nice.
It's a big boy.
See if we can get a green candle here to 85.
The Sequoia and the Armada, the Nissan one, or the Infinity version, the Q whatever.
QX80.
Yeah, those are super nice, and people sleep on those things.
Come on, push it.
Low coming in on ticker T. It's AT&T.
SpaceX did not have a good afternoon.
I'm salty. I was gonna add. I should have added yesterday, but I was like, oh, I'll wait and see if it doesn't hold that 135. I'll add, and then it went through it so fast. It was like $5 drop immediately. Like, God,
Knife through butter.
So fast. Too fast. Too furious.
too fast for y'all, man.
Too fast for y'all. I do like Morgan Stanley calls.
I feel like if we get this little downdraft, it does set it up to be an interesting day for tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, let's keep today green. I was up, what, 5,500? Now I'm down to 4,200. I don't know if I keep trying. There's no way. If I take one more losing trade, it's going to be a big red day. Let's keep it decent bit in the green.
All right, I just added some trim, or added the trims back and moved my stop up to where it's either a nothing trade or I get some little bit of extra on a bounce.
Some CoreWeave puts on anyway.
And if it crashes through this, I'll long where I originally wanted to at 525. I am short CL. And it is popping against me. 83.10 is my current average. I'd hold the NFP. Here's the 1 minute look. Just hold it. Hold right there. Right there. Come on. Not looking good. It did clear out a lot of the buy orders below us. There's still some sitting down there. But if they want to just send it, that would be way cooler. Could probably give this more room. I just didn't want to. I didn't want to. Second time in a row, I didn't want to like just push my luck on this one. So I think it's just gonna come take me out. We'll call it a nothing trade. Just play this one tight.
All right. I just got stopped to secure green.
Well, let's just pray like CoreWeave has like a 20% down earnings.
Down.
Did they report tonight?
Yeah, CoreWeave and SMCI.
Some 80s and a 75. Both. I bought them like right at the open and they're up 40 and 70%. So let's just hope. Let's just hope.
Light.
All right, there's my stop. $12 on that trade.
And we're looking for 25.
Yeah. $5.25. I'll try it again.
If we trade like 460s, I'd be really tempted to get involved, but
Oh yeah, 450, 460. Yes.
Another thing I'm watching is SPX, like right here. SPY NFP is right here as well. Oh, don't make me buy back in. Oh, wait, just wait.
Be
Just
patient.
didn't come down and touch it. Yeah. It's like
Google
SPY comes down and holds
is
this NFP and we just. Oh,
snorkeling.
it's getting wrecked.
Google's getting, yeah.
I think I said it a little bit ago. I think 342 is coming.
Come on, shoot us down there. Let's go.
Yeah, the other spot is at 500. Probably I'm going to leave some orders there too. My internet's like lagging all of a sudden. That's not fun.
38% of the chat thinks that we have topped in semis.
if I just leave bids without a stop and hold it into tonight, doesn't mean it doesn't count as a trade for today, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's put a couple bids down.
I think I sucked him into that one.
Hey, whatever,
Let's see, where do we sit?
whatever makes you feel good.
Let's put 2 at 470.
I really do like 450, 460. I
2
really
more
do.
at 460 and 2 more at 450. Let's front run this guy. No, let's go below him. Let's put him at 48. There we
Yeah,
go.
AVGO getting a little ruggy.
All right, we'll leave those bids. See what happens.
Yeah, 460. I like it.
Come on, SPY, don't do this.
Watch it just rip from here.
All of a sudden, my internet's going like a snail.
Yeah. I mean, even if you do bounce here, you just end up going to 460s anyways later.
God, I mean, tonight and tomorrow morning, you probably fill that gap in, back test the 50-day, and then launch. That'd be my ideal scenario.
Someone just
Heck,
bought
comment.
$2.5 million worth of NVIDIA calls.
Yeah. I'm not surprised.
Which, looking at NVIDIA on the heat map right now, I mean,
Is this gonna suck me back? Are you still long, Ryan? From here?
No, but I'm sitting here on the trigger.
I like it at 2.
Don't run away from me. Just go hit us at 5 1/4. If this does what it did earlier, that like, we watched it and it was like, and then just runs away all the way back up to freaking 630s.
Oh, no. I should have just given it room. That was dumb. Shit. Son of a bitch.
It's gonna run away. Don't do it.
I got stopped out by 5 points.
No.
Yep, that was low of day.
Don't even say that. Come on.
I'm walking away because I'm going to chase this thing. I'll be right back. I'm not gonna- Fuck.
When I start wanting to do that, I just start looking at daily charts of other stocks. Watch this go green on the day. Kidding.
I mean, I
mean, you
wouldn't
did
be. I wouldn't be surprised. You gotta think that's just QQQ reclaiming previous day low and just going back to like 721 by the close, which I think you could see that. Now there's only an hour left. Oh, look at this. Look at this
Ryan,
candle.
don't come back.
Look in the video getting a little candle here too.
Here's what I wanted to trim was 90s. I had to trim
Yup.
92s.
Yeah.
Well, that was dumb.
Yeah.
Should just short it back down. Oh, just got a long on the 1 minute here. Oh, that was dumb.
Look, JPM new all-time high. Just now. Look at that.
And you're bearish. Ray Dalio is literally going on a bender in Ibiza. And you're bearish.
Yeah.
Crazy, bro. Crazy work.
Yeah, look at no. They don't want NVIDIA to get that drop down to like 213. Not yet. We'll see. Oh, Tesla bounced
Wow.
right up. Apple's trying to bounce a little bit after that sell. Amazon, like triple-ish bottom off. I wanted to see it go a little bit lower, sweeping 271, but I mean that's Wednesday, August 5th low, Thursday, August 6th low, just down as it gets to that 271.
Oh,
I mean, if those
I
names
can't
hold,
believe it.
start popping into the close, that might be a low day. Look at Amazon on your 30-minute. Like, it got so close for me to get a trigger long on it.
All right, what's up, chat? What do you guys think? CPI? Any thoughts on CPI for tomorrow? Hey, Ryan, guess what? 590.
No. I just went and heated up food instead. Piece of
Should have heated. Should have put some Jameson in the microwave and heated that up. So pissed. They're gonna run it right back to 630s.
It's
Don't do
680.
Yeah,
680. We're going back to 680.
I mean, we could start to like actually run for the next hour if some of these
640s.
things start to play out.
What'd you say? 680s?
680.
Dude, I swear.
Yeah.
That volume on IWM that just came in.
All right.
Gosh dang it.
I got some food instead.
Good decision.
God bless. $12 should have been $500.
I like Amazon on the hourly. I like MU on the hourly. Just going into the close. Yeah, big spot right here on the MU at 860. If it can break over it, it can accelerate closer to 880.
Roll back over.
That was cruel. That was cruel what just happened there. Oh my God. I almost revenge traded and shorted it. mean, I got a piece of it, but like, oh.
Yes, Mateo. Rigatoni, RGTI getting a little pop. Well, hourly reversal potentially. Don't hate this one.
Chop, chop.
I like that for a swing.
Which one? What do you like for a swing?
Okay, hello.
Hello.
Up to the daily 50 of 49.35, so just closer to that $50 psych level.
Oh, that was the wrong button.
All right, we're back.
Guess who's back? Back again. And is back. Tell our friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Na, na, na.
Where do we close?
God, Nvidia's trying to recover. Son of...
Yep. I feel like this is like this morning's trade all over again. The same thing. We just watched it. And go, I don't know. And then it ran.
It stopped out playing it safe this late in the day with a lot of profit. So I
Yeah.
can't be too upset.
Agree.
Grambo, I have not. I don't know. I haven't seen that one.
Those NVIDIA calls just went in the money from the flow that came in right before that candle at 245. When they bought that dip at 230, those 217.50s, they just went into money.
I almost chased into this thing even after I reset my brain a little bit. There's just not enough confidence, not a good enough risk reward at this point. I hope they rug it. Oh, just because I don't want to watch it go higher without me. CENTCOM forces disabled the steering gear of Panama-flagged MV Villanova. The ship is no longer transiting to Iran in violation of the U.S. blockade. Rug it. Rug it, rug it, rug it, rug it. Yeah, call me a perma bear now, please. I like that one, KTW. I like that one. Oh, you know what we need to do? Frank, you here?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here.
Frank,
I'm here.
I got something for you.
Juice box. Give me a juice box. Here we go. Let it roll.
Hey, Phil. I don't think that's a very good attitude. You can't talk about hurting other players. You don't think? You don't think? You should be butting in when I'm talking to my team. You're my assistant, okay? You're supposed to back me up and go get me juice boxes when I tell you. Now go get me a juice box.
You know who you're talking to?
I'm talking to the juice box guy.
You're crazy.
I'm not crazy. I'm just thirsty.
Why don't you go to hell?
No, you go to hell. While you're there, why don't you grab me a juice box?
I'm no juice box boy, I'll tell you that.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. You're like your old man.
I'm not like my old
If
man.
it weren't for these kids, I would whip your butt.
I can take a punch.
I'm out of here. Bye-bye. I'll see you, Mr. Big Time Coach. Bye-bye.
I'm not like my old man. I'm a kind and gentle, compassionate human being with a heart as big as a lion. We'll see you later, Juice Box. Everyone wave goodbye to Juice Box. Literally wave. Do it. Parents too. Everyone
Parents too.
Okay.
I guess we know
Guys.
what his new name is.
I don't want winners out on the field. Who's a winner? I said, who's a winner? Everyone's hand should be up. Okay, everyone bring it in. Who are we? Tigers. What? Tigers. All right, let's break someone's clavicle on 3. 1, 2, 3. Break someone's clavicle. Hit the field. Let's go.
That's a trick, you know that?
Move it, move it.
Break someone's clavicle.
Huh? Pick up that piece of trash, Tom. Tuck in your shirt. What are you doing? Have a sense of pride, huh? In fact, why don't you take a lap? Go run a lap. I'm timing you. Pick it up. Faster! Here we go.
Oh, I forgot about this part.
Dude, what a.
We're gonna
What a
get
great
coffee,
move.
right? For sure.
Right there, he's right there.
Oh, yeah.
Good, good.
Worth it.
Use my flag up right here. Oh,
I just gotta see this part where he comes on the field here in a second.
Hey, you just received a plate of humiliation. How does that feel?
Hey,
for the humiliation.
Real Tarzan.
Blows the whistle at the ref.
I'm off. Defense! Come on! You guys know anything about defense?
Dad,
Yeah.
Dad, Dad,
Not now, Sam.
can you put me in?
Later. Go grab some bitch. Come on!
Grab
There
some
we go,
bench.
John Piero. Look good.
I'll start using that one too.
Think you can mark him?
Yeah, I can take it.
JJ, Zach, everybody see what we got to do with these guys? 4 on one, 3 on another, right? We really have to smother them.
All right, watch MU here breaking above that 830.
Hey! Did you just push a kid to the ground? You fell down!
He fell down.
He fell down!
Fell down.
Oh, that's one of the best movies ever. I know MQ's ripping. I'm not chasing it. It's so dumb. I had the trade laid out. I played it safe like a little girl. Because all those big orders just ran away too, just drawing it higher.
All right.
Dad, can you put me in? Not right now. Go grab some bench. Hey, juice box. We definitely probably just got a copyright strike for that, but I don't care.
Oh, absolutely.
I've been waiting to show that clip. But literally my favorite part though is when he looks over at the parent and he's like, hey, pick up that piece of trash. Tuck your shirt in. Have some pride and some respect. Go ahead and take a lap. I'm timing you faster. I'm sure we could probably turn that into a trading lesson. Sometimes you miss an execution. Sometimes you miss the execution on a trade. You just gotta go get a juice box.
That's right.
That's what I did. Hey, do you know who you're talking to? Yeah, I'm talking to the juice box guy. Are you crazy? No, I'm just thirsty. They're not gonna pull the stream, but I guarantee we got a copyright strike for that. It'll be alright. I couldn't even back to. I just. Mother. Why do you do this?
Juice boxes.
Just, you know, they just wanted me to have a big day and still be upset for some reason.
That's one way to do it.
But, you know, just classic, right? And oil's about to make a new high. Oh, there it goes.
All right, I'll take a trim on these MUs.
Oil? Does the Iran war last into 2035? That is the question.
2035?
Trump's still going to be president, too.
There you go. There you go. Premium pop. There you go. Lock something in.
I guess it helps, like, markets down. My portfolio is actually decent. He's definitely helping. That Mercado Libre definitely helping a lot. Did Valero break out? Why is my internet so freaking slow?
That looks good. VLO.
That's what I was pulling up. We talked about this one on the stock picks last night.
What about MPC?
New all-time high, I think. I was looking at VLO and I was looking at this PSX. Of course,
That
it's
looks good.
gone. It's taking a lot of discipline not to just chase along up here for no reason.
Oh yeah, MPC does look like PSX. Beautiful charts though. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Spreads are getting wild just because volume's coming in.
XLE looks really good too. What do we call this pattern, boys and girls?
These nuts.
Yeah, got him. God, this is.
NVIDIA.
And of course, you had oil breaking out, oil breaking out with it. Google new low again, dude. They just
They hate Google.
Google just out with the bathwater today. Search
Oh,
is
no,
dead
baby.
again.
Go, 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 go. Look at AMD. AMD wants a new high a day.
Just added to my oil short. I'll play it tighter up here. Not much time left. Brady went to visit some family after the NYC thing. I'm not sure when he's getting home, but I just keep getting pictures of him traveling. Hey, Juice Box. Quant guy, when you asked this question earlier, how is nobody shorting this pop? This is why, because you're getting ran over if you did. It's too late in the day. You're down too much.
Yep.
All right, here, I don't hate it, but it's just too late in the day. It's probably one of those where, like, somebody come get her.
And they took out the rest.
She's dancing like a
stripper.
Not gonna long it straight into this level either. Even though, what a dumbass. Oh, played it safe for $12 instead of several hundred. I guess I can cancel those buy orders down at 525, huh? I don't think I need those anymore. Look at this giant order at IB low up here that has just been moving around.
Ooh, they just come down and wick the freaking order. No way they gonna do me dirty like that. And they might. They might just do it. That's why I hate trading 0 days and 1 DTEs. Pain in the balls.
What's up, Bubba? I think you left your sword in my room. Your sword. The He-Man? I think you left it in my room. When I woke up this morning, I stepped on it. Tu espalda. Tu espalda de He-Man. ¿No está en el piso? El piso de mi cuarto. I stepped on it. Go look for it. Gotta love that, don't you? A little 6:30 a.m. wake up call. You step on a toy to start your day. I would have been more upset, but that was when I figured I woke up, looked at my phone, and saw that oil short just went crazy, and I was like, yeah, okay, I'm in a good mood. And then I stepped on that, and I couldn't even get that mad. How do you decide when to talk to the kids in English or Spanish? I try to talk to them in English as much as possible.
American. Oh, dude, they freaking wake me. Yeah, they did. You pieces of shit.
Fuck these guys.
Fuck it, we ball.
What do you got? Oh, where'd that come from? Where was it? In your shirt? Playera. Oh, I see it. No, esto sí es pijama. Alright, put it back in there. ¿Dónde lo guardas? Casey, look.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. All right, gonna trim MU again.
There's IB.
Fucker.
IB low. Oh, you fuckers.
They tried to get me. Well, they did. They had me in the first half, I'm not gonna lie. All right. What's up, Amp? You there? Yeah. I mean, if you're still in the original.
The order book. Well, the book map. The book map just keeps. They just keep spoofing orders higher. Look at that. Look at all this liquidity. And it's nothing but buying. I told you guys where I thought it was going.
Come on, babe.
There is a giant emoji on my chart. And this would have been a 100-point trade. Stupid.
Oh yeah, AMD new high a day. Yeah. Google new low of day. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Remember earlier we were looking at QQQ, and then I was like, that's probably gonna be a low of day. And then Will was like, don't say that. I think it might have actually been.
It stopped out of wheel.
Fuck, man. Now we're what, like 80, 90 points higher?
I should have just.
I knew that it wouldn't. I knew it'd stay above the NFP high for the day. Need to be closed below there. No way.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna. I thought it like.
Yeah,
thought it would come back.
I mean, I did buy a little bit at 775, or what is that? Where am I? It's 575. I bought a little. It sold them at like 610. But like, yeah, that should have been a little. We just weren't patient enough. Slow day, kind of meandered down and meandered up. Let's see if we can do something like close here. SPX.
I'm still okay with it overall, because
yeah,
big deal. I had a big day, missed one trade, whatever. The idea was right, the execution one didn't work out, whatever. It is what it is. No big deal. Just a small deal.
Big deal, no pickle.
I'm the real deal, no pickle.
RGTI is still trying to pop up after the reversal.
What was that? Love me or hate me or whatever. I'm the real deal, no pickle.
Tomorrow we watch rates closely. 10-year, very close.
Spit sickle cell psycho. I go off like a motherfucking rifle. Wheezy. Do you remember that song, Casey? I've been through it all, the fails, the falls. I'm like Niagara, but I got right back up like Viagra.
I don't think I've ever heard that.
I think it was off one of the little mixtapes, like The Leak or something. I just remember it because he said, I'm the real deal, no pickle.
CoreWeave, Light, and Kava. Jordy, one of your boys on Spaces was big into Kava. That thing has got crushed. Maybe it can.
Kava's been just destroyed. Should have went to Texas Roadhouse like a real man.
Kava. Oof, that looks ugly. Holy shit.
Dude, it's almost 100 points now on that freaking MNQ long.
It is 100 points, and I'm upset.
Same.
I'm on Kicking and Screaming. You remember he's like, I'm angry. I'm spitting angry. I'm like a tornado of anger whirling about.
Look at that chart.
That was awesome hearing myself
oh
say
my!
that.
If they miss today, it's over.
Gosh dang it, man.
Look at this freaking NQ. Just son of a
fucking knew it. I know. Look at okay. Look at NVIDIA side by side with QQQ on a 5-minute chart. That was like picture perfect.
Did you see the volume that came in on QQQ at the low?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they freaking took my stop at what, 554? And now we're up 100 points.
It's funny because if I was ever gonna chase one, this is probably the one I should have chased, but I just walked away.
I said if they stopped me out for a green trade, I probably wasn't going to long it again, and I didn't, and they fucking ripped it.
Oh, the chart's playing out today because I didn't put a magnet. I put a target. If I would have put a magnet, this thing would have got slapped. My magnets are the reverse ones.
Where do you guys
last 15 minutes?
think where does SPX close? 135. 735. Yeah. 740 maybe.
I would guess. I would guess it. Ooh, I don't know. This feels like this may be a fade after this pop.
Look at the volume hitting on Qs right now, though.
I know it's gonna pop all the way to my target, and then we probably fade it, and it's gonna be VWAP on QQQ at the same spot.
So IWM is getting a lot of volume these last few minutes, or the last few 5-minute candles, but it's not moving. As for where I think SPX can close at,
God bless. Something about the Clarity Act stalling just came out.
I mean, almost wouldn't be surprised if we closed here at like 77.30.
If anybody got long, that was one of my other medium targets was 656, 655. And we just got slapped a little bit right there. I'm glad somebody caught it, Mike. All right. I know what we should do right now.
I think they'll close it near 77.30 on SPX.
That's what I was thinking. Pull back. But I'd like to see like a pop. Stupid. So stupid.
See, 77.31.06. Why not?
I'd like to draw your attention to the bottom of the screen. Please read the instructions carefully.
Everybody sing, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby.
Code Wolf, all capitals. Code Wolf. Code Wolf, all capitals. If you've never had a MyFunded Futures account, Code Wolf in the chat. Give it a few more minutes. Keep putting Code Wolf in the chat. 50K rapid eval for free on me. Nasty sell candle right there. Well, SPX already pulled back. Son of a... It's Code Wolf, all capitals. If you don't type it exactly like that, 2 words, Code Wolf, all capitals, you will not be entered.
No. Wanna know what we say in the club, hey baby?
All right, first winner. Ooh, Tariq. Tariq.
Ooh.
Please give me your X at. I'm going to give away another one, guys.
Is that the good Tariq?
Tariq, I need your... It's the good Tariq. I think the bad Tariq disappeared.
Let's go, good Tariq.
Good Tariq, I need your username on X, please, so I can DM you this code for a free 50K rapid account. The rest of you, keep putting Code Wolf in the chat. I'm going to give away another one.
Let's go. Tell me McDonald's is not going to get a stupid candle in the daily soon. It's got to. She's got to.
Tariq, I cannot give away the next one until you respond to me.
Question is, which way?
Tariq, it's been 1 minute since I called you out. There he is. All right, gotcha. All right, Code Wolf in the chat. I'm going to give away another one. Just a second. Let me get this one sent. Code Wolf in the chat. About 20, 30 seconds here. I'm going to give away another one. Blow up that chat. Code Wolf. All capitals. All right, our second winner is going to be Bloodhound. Bloodhound, please type in the chat whatever your X username is, so I can DM you a code for a 50K rapid account from My Funded Futures. Code Wolf gives you the best discount at any prop firm, including My Funded Futures. We'll pause here for MOC. And then I'll give away another one. We'll do 3.
Ooh.
Dude, no, Google can't even bounce to like the 21. It's pathetic.
Is it at 342 yet?
Bloodhound, I am. No. There you are. My man. All right, hold on, Bloodhound. This says I already sent you one.
You like it at 342?
Google?
Casey?
Yeah.
Google.
I think. I mean, there's a gap to fill lower.
Right.
But after the extension that it just had, I like 342 dips down, risking essentially to where the gap is, close to that 340. Get a bounce, maybe come back up to retest closer to 348, 350 if it lower highs, and short it back down to the gap and see if it gets it. But just letting it bleed, and I'll look for longs if it does get down underneath that 342.
All right, let me get this MOC out right now, and then I'm going to rerun that giveaway from Bloodhound.
Oh, Spy Ruggy. MOC.
$1.2 billion to sell, $1.8 billion to sell on NASDAQ. I appreciate you rocking in the chat either way, Bloodhound. Trader Rug. I need your X account.
Minus 1.2 billion.
Mr. Trader Rug. There he is. I like when people are quick to respond. All right. I think you could probably play along off of that 610 and try to get back to 630 and maybe see if it continues, but I've been patient enough today. Should I do one more giveaway? Oh, I said I was going to do 3. We'll do one more. Type in code Wolf in the chat, guys. I'll do one more.
Yeah.
It's going to keep me from trading this BS.
I love MOC. I always see some crazy candles come in everywhere.
They may pin it right here. Spy's at 770, whole number.
on this swing. Ooh.
All right, let me roll one more winner for my funded futures 50K rapid eval. Re-rolling right now. 3, 2, 1. The winner is Evan Berman. Evan Berman. We're going to call you the good Evan. We got good Tyreek and good Evan. Evan Berman, please let me know what your username is on X or Twitter as it was formerly known as, so that I can DM you this code for a free 50K My Funded Futures account.
There you go. There you go, MU. Yeah, pop my premiums, baby. Yeah.
Pop.
That's what we want to see. Yeah.
Ooh, drilly drill.
Should be a nice bounce right there.
Oh!
There we go. There we go.
Baby. All right.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, Evan, I got you. Oh, please send. If they send this into my target, that would be sick.
Oh, shit, MU. Oh, the premiums. All right, lock some shit in right here. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Go, baby, go. Pop my premiums, baby.
Don't stop, pop it, don't stop.
I'd like him to close it at about 5 points lower would be perfect.
you're off?
Let's go.
Whoa.
You know what? I left it on the screen. It was an incredible day. There's 4 minutes left. I'm going to give away one more. It's 4 50K giveaways, 200K in funding.
Come on now.
When I say that, I'm literally trolling the people that say that.
All right.
God, Google is still getting just decimated.
Had to get a end of day trade on the main account. Had to do something.
If you are on a paired stream, I do apologize. The giveaway bot that I have only works in the Wolf Trading chat. So if you're joining us from X, if you're joining us from KC's YouTube, make sure you like and subscribe while you're over there. Probably not going to make it in time to the other stream. But for the giveaways, because I have an automated bot that does all this, Nightbot, it only selects from the YouTube chat.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to give it 30 more seconds. 30 seconds. Code Wolf, all caps in the chat.
How much time we got left? About 2.5 minutes. Come on, MU. Give me the daily 9. Come on. 870, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yes, sir.
They're trying to spin. They're trying to pin Spy at 770.
All right, alerts going off on MU. All right. Just come on, pop these premiums, baby.
Oh, come on.
Come on, keep
All
it
right,
going.
I'm choosing another winner right now. Boom, 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 boom. DJC Toronto. DJC Toronto. Please send me your X username. You just won a 50K rapid evaluation account from My Funded Futures.
Oh yeah, we're going to Sizzler, baby. That's right. Nice job on
Oh.
MU.
A little Golden Corral. Dude, you should go to Texas Roadhouse. Have you seen that chart?
The thing's pumping.
Dude, Texas Roadhouse and freaking Cheesecake Factory. All right. 1 minute left on MU. We should lock some in here. We'll see if. Oh! Oh! What is that? That's not real. That's a glitch. I was watching the candle. It did not hit that price. Look at the 1 minute on MU. Nope. I was watching it. It didn't fucking hit that price. It hit 870. Like a wick just appeared. But the candle never went.
DJC Toronto, I need your X username, please. You have 30 seconds until the bell rings. If you don't answer, I'm going to give it away to someone else.
Liar.
Five seconds, DJC. I tried. That was 2 minutes from when I called it out. There's the closing bell. You know what? We're going to redo the giveaway. We are going to do a new word. We're going to do MU because KC was just sitting there crushing it on MU. MU in the chat. If you've never, once again,
Go.
if you've never used My Funded Futures, if you used it before, you can put it in the chat, support the chat, whatever. Oh, look at this bounce here after hours.
Dude, I was off by less than, I said, what, 7730.06. We got 7728.08.
725s bought at 50 cents, sold at 250.
Ooh.
Two of them.
Let's go, Frank.
There you go.
Actually, it was 75.
In honor of KC, the MU trade.
138%.
And anyone else, there was a bunch of you watching MU today. MU in the chat if you've never used My Funded Futures, just MU. Micron, shout out. MU.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
KC, whenever you want, you give me the countdown and I'll run the winner.
Oh, let's go.
All right, guys. See you tomorrow.
All right, Frank.
My next job.
There you go.
Later, Frank.
Go 10% under the ask, Frank. All right, whenever KC counts me down, everyone that typed in MU in the chat will
7,
have a chance
6,
to win a
5,
50K. My Funded
4,
Futures. Rapid.
3,
Eval.
2,
Shout out.
1,
KC.
0.
Derek G5. Derek G5 is the winner
Let's go,
of our
Derek.
fourth My Funded Futures giveaway. Derek G, let me get that username on X, please, sir. Shout out to KC coming on here today.
Of course. My favorite thing
I
to do.
got spoiled spending time with you in person that I just had withdrawals.
Oh,
Derek.
oh, we got Missy Elliott printed a short on UNH at end of day on the daily chart.
Derek, I need. There you are. Look at Derek. Derek 95. There we go. There he is. And there is a fourth giveaway. Boom.
SMCI popping a little.
Oracle to preview quantum service in the coming months. SMCI beat on EPS and missed on. All right. What CoreWeave does. All right, well,
Guys, I gotta head out.
yeah, I'm gonna shut this thing down and go do Stocks on Spaces.
Sounds good. I'll catch you guys in the morning. See if CPI gives us a decent mover pre-market, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night.
All right, KC. All right, everyone.
Later.
Appreciate everyone tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like. I'm gonna jump over and help with Stocks on Spaces. So we'll see you guys over there. Shout out to our sponsor, Leverage Shares, and shout out to Vanquish. If you're an options trader, code Wolf gets you the best discount over at Vanquish. They are running a special right now.